I got dressed. Okay, so here's the thing. Here's why there won't be any gaming videos for a month. There won't be a lot of videos actually for a month. Here's why. There won't be a lot of videos because there's only one TV in my summer house, right? Half the time we're at the beach, which like half the time we're at our beach. You guys get to meet my dog. Dog's gonna lose itself. So you guys get to meet my dog at my summer house. But that's completely off topic. You guys won't be seeing any videos because you're gonna see a lot of the videos like the water trampoline that's at the beach that we have, a bunch of like really cool stuff like that, and that's also why I packed my GoPro, because I will be filming with my GoPro, because right now I don't have a camera. I use my iPad, sometimes my phone, so that's why everything's like that, you know. And I can't submerge my iPad underwater. So anyway, I can't bring my Xbox because my mom said there's only one TV in our summer house. You know that. I've been going there for the past couple of years. You can't bring it. But alright, fine. We do have a Switch, so what I can do, I might be doing some videos on the Switch, you know, because I have my Minecraft Let's Play Survival World on the Switch. I have Fortnite, I have Rocket League, I have a lot of good games for Switch. So there's gonna be some videos like that, but there won't be any Xbox videos. So yeah, I'm so tired. So as you can see, we're getting ready. Got my mom's car across the street, the Lincoln. It's over there. And we're getting our cars washed because we'll be gone for a while. So now, stage 2 of getting ready to go. Forgot to mention where I'm going. I have a summer house in Long Island. So yeah, I have a bunch of family out there too, so that's why we go for a month. And it's cool because our house out there, it didn't cost a lot, so it's already paid off. So we really can go there whenever we want. But it's funny because our actual home isn't paid off. So that's pretty funny. Dad.
Yeah.
When are we packing to go?
What are we packing?
When are we packing?
Right now.
Right now? Okay. Alright, so these bags are here. All this stuff. And we are going into the car now. I'm going with my brother.
No, I'm gonna go with Dad.
Yeah, I'm coming with you guys. So I'm going with my brother and my dad. Sorry, Mom. And yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna come back when we're finished pack, guys. So we are getting ready. Everything is getting packed up. And we're saying goodbye to the pool. Gotta close it up. We got all our bikes, fishing poles, everything that we gotta pack. Oh, I gotta bring my water guns too. Yo, when I mount my GoPro to that scooter and that bike, I'm gonna be flipping like a bike video in a Long Island skate park coming soon. But yeah, go get the water guns. Sorry about the glare. Oh, yeah, that's empty. So, I'll probably check in with you guys every hour or so. Yeah, like every hour, probably. And then, if something ridiculous happens, because something ridiculous always happens on our rides there, I'll be sure to check in with you guys. So, why not?
This one's mine, okay?
No, this one's mine.
No, that one's mine.
No, this one's mine.
No, I said this one
Oh.
is gonna be mine. Well, do you know?
What?
You don't have to bring that because I have an extra stop. So you could put one in there. You could
Put them next to you.
stop shooting.
Alright, I think we can leave these here. I think. I don't know. Alright, put them over here. Alright. This car isn't packed yet, but this one is fully packed. My mom's car. Got food.
For days. Wait, what were you doing? Wait, what were you doing, Dina?
Showing them that everything's packed. Yeah. We're literally like Chandler from Mr. Beast. We got Gushers.
Which are mine.
No?
Yes.
Gushers.
They're mine.
Yeah, I got.
The Gushers are mine.
No, they're not.
They're yours?
Yes, they're ours. Relax yourself.
Yeah, I know. But you're like, you're mine.
Remember, guys, have anger issues. It's not even a joke.
Stop.
I'm loading.
Close the door.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna come back with you guys when we're on the road. Lovely. Alright, guys, so we're on the road now finally after packing our things. We're heading on the Verrazano Bridge, which goes into Brooklyn, and then from there, I have no idea where we're going. Yeah, it's like a 2 to 3 hour drive, so I got time to spare. I'll probably check in every hour to 30 minutes.
Like you.
Oh God. Alright. Well, I'll come back in like 30 minutes to an
Don't
hour.
like Pikachu.
What happened to Pikachu?
I threw it
Where'd he go?
up Uranus.
Alright. Well, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Alright guys, so we're in Brooklyn and look at that. That's so cool. You can see the statue right from where we are.
Wait,
That's so
I'm
lit.
right back.
So we're still in Brooklyn. Where are we going next? Queens?
Heading into Queens.
Yeah. Look at this dude on his bike. I swear. Derek, that's for you. I expect you to sing that song today. Alright, so I guess I'll come back when we're in Queens. Yeah.
Wait, Queens?
What's that, the book?
I want to meet Spider-Man.
Queens, I want to meet Spider-Man. Alright, I'll come back soon. With more. That guy has a hole in his truck. Yes, we got the shot. Got a little bit of it. So I couldn't get that great of a shot, but that guy had a hole in the side of his truck. That's absolutely insane.
Well, yeah, because he has to keep stuff in it.
Yeah, I know, but like, why do you have a hole in your truck?
I already said like it 1,000 times.
Alright. Dad, how much longer until we're in Queens?
We're in Queens now.
Oh, alright guys, we're in Queens. And after Queens, we'll be in the start, what do you call it? We'll be at the start of Long Island, and
And then we'll be in Long Island.
yeah, and then the house is at the end of Long Island, like all the way back, right?
Yeah.
Right then?
Yep.
We still got a long way to go, though. I'm so happy I got that shot. I swear. Let's go. That was so weird, though. Alright. I guess I'll come back if something else weird happens. Alright guys, we are heading into Riverhead, Long Island. And the house is in Greenport. So from Riverhead to there is like what, an hour? So from Riverhead to Greenport is an hour. Yeah, well that's, we're getting onto the river. Going towards it, yeah. So I'll come back when we're in Riverhead going to Long Island. Alright guys, we just reached Long Island. We got like an hour until we're in Riverhead. And then we got another hour from Riverhead to Greenport. So it's a pretty long drive. We got a while, and as you guys can see, it's 12:39. We can't get into the house until 3. So, yeah. We're not going to be in the house until 3. But we're on our way. So, I'll come back probably when we reach Riverhead. And, yeah.
What?
Huh.
Well, all I want to do is just sit on the bunk bed. That's all I want.
Alright, we'll be up a bunk bed soon. Hey, Mr. Truck, what doing? Alright, I'll come back when we're reaching Riverhead.
Past 13 years as 4 men. This is their first release as a trio.
What?
It's number 18 this week. A song called Sweet.
Back there. We'll see if I can get another shot of it. That was pretty good, though.
Honestly,
Hashtag Mom Greek corner, by the way. So there it is right there.
we're the old man driving it.
A little man driving it.
Like that little man over there. That's
Yo,
that
we
little
just
man.
missed a Ferrari dealership. I'm so mad. Look at that,
That
boys.
little man driving.
Yes. Move, Chevy. Nobody likes you.
Prior avant-garde style. Result,
That's pretty cool. Alright, where are we? Dad, where are we right now?
You're on your own.
What part?
Big Hills.
We're in what is that? How do you pronounce that?
I'm not.
So that Derek doesn't lose his mind. James, shut up. Don't even, James. I know what you're about to say. Stop. Alright, so, yeah, that's where we are. How many more stops until the,
We're gonna go to 56 and take a pee break.
So on exit 56 will be our first stop of the day. Yo, I missed a Maserati and Ferrari dealership. I'm so mad.
Yeah, and I wanted to see the Maserati.
I wanted to see some Ferraris. That would have been good. But we missed that, so
That sucks.
yeah. So it's about to say up here, I hope what exit we're on. What exit's coming out. There you go. So we're on exit 50. And we're getting off at exit 56. So we'll come back. I'll come back when I'm on exit 56. There we are, boys. Exit 57. We're here at the gas station.
Oh, now we're not at our. Oh my god.
Right there.
I am gonna spawn.
Oh, alright. Apparently we're going to this one.
Mobile Market.
No, Miss Baller.
Oh,
Yo, they have a Burger King in there? What? What is this place? Guys, they got Burger King built into a gas station food market.
that's actually.
That's nuts.
It really is.
That's insane.
Pikachu, say hi. Hi. Okay, said hi.
Yo, I just want to show you guys what we have in literally like look at this.
So that sucks.
Look at all the stuff we have on the bike
No,
rack.
you could give me it and I can show them.
Alright, so come on. All that stuff at the back. It's nuts.
Like, what's wrong with you?
Yes. Dad, we're probably not allowed to. We're probably not allowed to film in there, are we?
Probably not.
Alright, so I'm gonna. Can I bring this with me? I don't feel comfortable leaving it in here.
Just put it on the floor. Where's your brother?
Alright, guys. So we're gonna go get some snacks, and we'll be right back, guys. So we are back. Apparently, this what's it called? This gas station had Nathan's Hot Dogs and Burger King. So that's a Burger King, and then I got a bunch of other snacks. Yo, Lorenzo, here.
Oh, hold on.
Barbecue chicken nuggets. Ah!
Yeah.
And we got Cokes and stuff too. So we're set for. So guys, we're actually not in Riverhead yet. We have to get off exit 73, and right now I think we're on 57. So
Okay, you
yeah,
gave me those chicken nuggets now?
chicken nuggets.
Give me his sauce.
Sure,
Just one.
just one. And then French fries. Thanks. Those are just fries. All right, boys.
And what are you gonna do?
So I'm gonna eat, and I'll come after I eat. I'll tell you what exit we're on. Actually,
No, that's
what is that? A tour bus?
Let me take the whole thing off.
Do 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 do. Yeah. God, it's been a long ride. Really, it has. So this place had frozen yogurt, and Derek, I know you're gonna love this. They had Nutella frozen yogurt. Nutella frozen yogurt. Derek, if you're still watching this, please tell me that you heard what I said. Dude, Nutella frozen yogurt, that sounds so good. But yeah. They had Nathan's, which I know, Derek, you love. Yeah. God. This road trip has been so long.
Back inside. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, so I guess I'll come back to you guys when I'm finished eating. Peace. Because I'm not going to be a creepy ASMR. That's my dad's truck that he has.
If somebody stole the truck. Yes.
That's an old F-150, correct? That's pretty cool. I don't see these that often, besides the one parked in our driveway. Just wanted to point that out. That was pretty cool. So, like I said, we have. I just finished eating, and we're on the road again. We have, what's it called? I should say what exit we're on. Alright, so we're on exit 61 going to exit 62. So, and we have to get off at exit 73. Right? So, yeah. So we're pretty close. And that's only Riverhead. Then you go through Riverhead to Greenbrook, which is another hour. But we're making progress. And yeah. Are you kidding me, Loves? You didn't even finish Burger King and you're eating your chips?
He didn't eat his fries.
Alright, guys, I'll come back to you when we're at exit 7.
I'm sorry.
Guys, I'm pretty sure I showed you guys what the back of our car looks like right now. Tell me that guy doesn't look identical to ours. With like the 50 bajillion bikes on it. Legit. Alright, I just had to show you guys that because I thought that looked exactly like our car. I wanted to show the camera some dance moves. Oh my god.
The chips could do dance moves.
I love how I have the camera off him, asking him to do dance moves. That's dance moves. That's the
That's doing a dance move.
Alright. So, now I mean it. We will be back on when we're at exit 73. There we are. We're getting off on exit 71 because apparently you can take a shortcut here. And yeah. So we're about 45 minutes away from the house. So I just figured out that I was filming like this instead of this. So the video might come out a little weird. Sorry for that. But it doesn't really matter, to be perfectly honest, because the video is still a video. So we're about 45 minutes away, and I guess unless something weird happens, like something funny that I see on the road happens, I'll film that. But we are in where? We're in Riverhead, or are we in Greenport?
This is Riverhead.
So we're in Riverhead, Long Island, heading into Greenport. So
Oh my god.
yeah. So if something crazy happens, I'll film that.
You want to stop and play paintball?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Wait, Cousins Paintball's out here too? It's awesome.
I want to play paintball.
Anyway, again, I'll probably pick up when
When we're
we're
at
at the house. But other than that, I probably won't film anymore. doing back there?
Good, I'm about to drink my Coke. Oh, we need...
Oh my god, why is the camera so close up to his face?
I have a big face.
How bored are you, Lorenza?
I'm having fun. This is better than jail, I know.
What?
I said this is better than jail.
It's better than jail. Yeah. What do you think? Jail's better than this? I mean,
wonder
Mr.
how it would be to be in the real jail cell, but
I would not like it.
yeah, me neither. So
All right. Well, I guess I'll pick up. Again, I'm sorry about how I was filming. Again, the video might come
ooh,
out.
tractor.
It might come out messed up, but I'll try and edit it so that it doesn't. But if it does, that's on me. I'm sorry for that. Again, the video is still the video, no matter how it was turned. But yeah, I guess I'll pick up at the house. Oh, look at that. That's
Wait, that was a Mustang.
Tyler.
That was a Mustang.
That's pretty lit. 1993 special edition yellow Mustang. That's awesome. So guys, we are a couple miles away from Greenport, I'm guessing. We're still in Riverhead. But once we're in Greenport, is the house close in Greenport? Like once we're in there? So, right now it is 3 o'clock. So, the drive was like 3 hours, 4 hours, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it was like a 4-hour drive. And we're still not in Greenport. So, I started filming 11:23. And now it's... Jesus. 3 o'clock. This is on the road. I got a pounding headache, man. My God. Oh yeah, you know you're close to Greenport when you see that shopping center right there. You know you're close. You sure we're not in Greenport?
This is Southold.
Oh, so we're not in Riverhead anymore. We're in Southold. We're Southold in Riverhead.
No, Southold is its own town.
Alright, so apparently right now we're in Southold, and then, Jesus, so we went from Staten Island, New York, to Brooklyn, to Queens, to Long Island, to Riverhead, to Southold, and now to Greenport. But Riverhead and Southold are both in Long Island. Alright, well, I just wanted to show you guys that Mustang, because I thought that was pretty lit. I actually missed a red Lamborghini Huracan. It was so cool. But I couldn't,
It didn't have a wing on it.
no it did not, but it was still awesome. Look at that thing. Ugh.
Which I spotted the Lamborghini.
Yes, you did. Sure did.
And you were really mad,
Show me
right?
to interesting.
You were mad, right?
Yeah. What is this, Southold Beach? You know what? So this is one of the beaches that's in Southold over here. Well, not a good idea. Okay. But yeah. Couldn't get that great view, but that's. I guess we can. Yo, look at that Ferrari! Yo, I don't know if I missed it. I hope you guys just saw a little glimpse of it, but there was a Ferrari just there. Yeah, so I guess we can go out to Southold Beach. Look at that color of that house. What an odd color. airport finally. After 4 hours of driving, to you guys it was like 15 minutes. But for us it was 4 hours of driving. We are finally in Greenport. Holy moly, macaroni, mac and cheese, meatballs in my pants, mother duck.
Oh, and they have a basketball court.
Oh, basketball court.
Which one? Nice colors.
That wasn't the basketball court near our house.
Yeah, I know that.
Alright guys, we'll be back with the tour.